So started with number 11 no for Brantia. Your friend Rodrigo now. Omo metimi ahye and the famous players. Metimi ahye the number 11 for Real Madrid. Gareth Bale, Ebi Shebi. Yenya Ricardo Carvalho no be Shebi. Esteban Ganero. Karim Benzema in 2009, 2010. Eshe the number 11 jersey. Ian Robin, Cicino, Mike Lowin be the number 11. Ronaldo Delima and Casaso be number 11. And now Obenya players BT says Savio Mobeshebi, Rafa Martin Vasquez, Santinara, Miguel Padez Amunina Beshebi. But I think the highlight of this particular number 11 jersey here a propel to greater height, especially he said Obama United number 11 so I connect for the likes of Ryan Giggs more the 7 the main man no. Sana Real Madrid so number 11 no standing for the second main man of the team. The first main man of the team. You talk about the number 7 now. Tembian or the top players are or Matimeru Mama Besha that JC no. Mariano Diaz never say Abu Dhabi full pass over this JC the bar. But Cristiano Ronaldo Beshebi, Joan Esnada Beshebi, Raul Gonzalez Beshebi, Jose Amavisca Beshebi, Luis Enrique Beshebi, Ubenya Adolfo Adana Beshebi, Emiliano Betrogano. Momu na be share number 7 JC historically for Real Madrid so we top player now sha nyoma beti makoye dia one more Eden Hazard ni o Abu Eden Hazard dem so betina bench na de beboa wo mo o betina bench Madrid 7 ni na player wa sha o do betina aba we ro mo pharmacy jimbe Eden Hazard de Mariano one na 7 ne she ne nye kra what's what ka say wo Mariano ni Eden Hazard one na the 7 she ne nye kra Abu we di abato we ka se yentopa Abu me de Bema Hazard. Or the Bema Hazard. Our day. Also Hazard before and no a top player. Yes. Well no. SOMPA Sports. Quality player. Boba and Alpha. My know there's the name that. I don't know now about Beijing name is on so the name more the target. But Hazard then they said that Tony the boss will be just 7 years in the huge man. Never huge man. But I are crazy. I was a classic no one movie that was saying what and what. I want them is any issue the but Abu my yenin komo kakra bi ne e fan for the UEFA Champions League oni esa so hwe Al Ahly kwa mo fa so je the Champions League the two Champions League. Now there are two things that are involved in the particular Champions League. Alright to so na make ka mo hwe ne say parade na nche be sha parade na nche be sha ka say nyina no no okay and na mo no mo enjoy kakra sameti ntina wo push ya say parade na na sha say me menye dey me so wa na atia wo say munyipa omunyi me dey so ne say o na o kasa na kra mo di ne yi di ba ju fo mi kamo nyawa di so nyu dey be bi ayi yanko yani yes Abu it is this particular Champions League Manchester City team you know. Before the game, Metina Hanumbo players been in on how decisive or bit my year within the game. And you look at how Inter Milan set it up, Manchester City set it up. Definitely one of them, and the key component in Manchester City to make the title. Now, why? Abante Fene Rodri. You name the background, you name the history. We all know about the quality of this particular Manchester City team when it comes to the right half spaces. Inter Milan, we've always spoken about the quality of Omu goalkeeper Fene Andrew Onana. Your ball game Andrew Onana so one particular player will be a kind of one because of the distribution. Quite fast so I know to be beating the press of Manchester City. It's moving ball forward to attackers. Another topic, Romelu Lukaku Bolengole or say chances will be a kind of what we show Croatia and Belgium be in the last World Cup game. Belgium the free more out of the World Cup now. I didn't see Romelu Lukaku pin ball boy this in 9 in the latter minutes of the game no. Any can say you one. Any can say you one. He has been a player minim how the New City tier. But Abu looks like normally these things happen to Romelu Lukaku at times are odd. Where team here results be not be the born na fear then the court. Now for now the bad luck of the team. And these are questions Abu Dhabi. I'm saying bia na tiefo ni ahwefo nyina obia busa se Romelu Lukaku e dey ko an onye and some they do such moments are with me very decisive and the ma Inter Milan team na say any other team will be finding itself say o si akan dia momo players in the party that Abu Dhabi the back go but then anyone you know me pese hwe ni din pa the impact of Manchester City winning the treble for a team no mo dia in Sheikh Mansour for UAE. Then number 2 we talk about something we call fact and myth. You can say fact and myth. Nipa be kan wase man na nipa de ni nyina so de amada particular fact and myth no. Papa friend Pep Guardiola. In same be e ka fa no ho no fact and I say myth. Baby Otina say where does he even rank among the greatest coaches of all times? I yet me Abu in terms of UAE, I think say the Middle East for no. Qatar and your fair share of what we call success in making sure so much may hosting the World Cup.
Yes,
they did it successfully. Well, the Gulf region there is an internal, not necessarily idea to pass Obia Kofa to Obia Kofa we, but there's some internal competition between them. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Muna, Obia Presse, Bibi Betima Bano, I'm going to use sports. And you actually yourself and then say yes, say yet here. Now see, and your coach and your may city, the beton your home. I'm on yourself and then as I say the amount for cafe when yes, and yet here. UAE came into the English market. Qatar went into the French market. What did I mention? Now, Saudi Arabia, so into the English market. Qatar, so near Bro, so pre. So much into the English market. But the most successful Middle East nation in terms of world football and club football now, as it stands, is UAE. Because Manchester City, no, Manchester City have won the Premier League often. Now, as it stands, even 6 years, the last 6 years, Omaji move 5. Omatimi the treble and that one Manchester United was the only club in England. No, my in 1999. So from 1999, check the number of years. About 2023. We are talking about approximately 23 years to 24 years. You ain't for about to break that particular record now. Manchester City had not won the UEFA Champions League. Abu Omobaya, Middle East, a club in the shape of Manchester City. Already the Champions League. So whatever Qatar dreamed of, whatever you look at Saudi Arabia dreamed of, Abu Dhabi, baby, it is really dear. The 2 years for UAE for Nasa Franca. More reasons why Qatar near bridge and danger of the soccer Manchester United because PSG looks like a failed project. Yes. Again, to number 5 PSG, they wanted to win the Champions League. Omo was still work up the Champions League in the can once and can double. I'm a busy at me. Let me Alpha Square. And your man Qatar for in terms of getting the World Cup and do this. So Abu. The level of investment that have gone into this particular Manchester City team and the success of Metima Choke and their choices, and not only so Omaji Trophy but Manchester City is the best ranked club in English football assistance. No, be another. Manchester City are the best football club by running so well in the English Premier League. No club comes or be closer to them in terms of player yet. In terms of player yet. In terms of a clear project where you see say this is the system we want to do, in terms of coach Soma appointing the Omaba, and in terms of success of Musetimia Kano, no club in terms of operation comes to it in the friend of Manchester City. Second one, a fact and I say a myth. Now it is fact say Manchester City had 115 charges in the Diabomo. Myth a woman here saying I'm not for 92 years as a case myth. I won't improve it so was I do with the no correct. As a word dream na wa zoom be said that ho upon your what they are wujidi it will be say be a Pep Guardiola kwako yesi by no kwani na mienu ne se ka se fankrata na afanyoma gu on ma na kire se na tia untimi nkire. The fact that 115 charges for Manchester City as a club, but Pep Guardiola is a different breed from the club. Club no matter what financial breaches, Pep Guardiola stands aside. That's why so the coach or kasa koto we brem. But they are for sure team yes Pep Guardiola only scout team mo. Pep Guardiola the any SMB player A and player B. Player A player B am a pen no. No ma catch us any boy say no times can another koto player na ya brem as a coach then on the field nam dia ba be adwuma. Abu, so these things that you are putting on Pep Guardiola say on 115 charges born on the it is a myth that Pep Guardiola is involved. Nothing proves that Guardiola is involved in that particular thing. Guardiola the NSB player A scanning the online fan so on watch some player A so you go to the market nipa no use can no use can no makoto player A ni the Pep Guardiola no the about the Juma and that is what he does. So put him aside. Number 2 no, because Guardiola to obey season or any normal the go and coaches at players according to the budget of the club. Pep Guardiola ne Abu Dhabi onye accountant no atena say akas any the level of intelligence I don't know the boss say need to bet my cancer and no boy everything. So individually Guardiola have worked on these players and he have produced them and made them world class players. Guardiola my world class players and what we do the results are also Musetimika. So the myth about one Guardiola improve or call the abin that Abu Obi no abin that let me catch about 10 players within Manchester City team we are no more that Guardiola have made them world class and he's so much obsessed with football and baby or level of the Omako Dru no. Me Jaguelis and I'm in no. Jaguelis your partner foul.
SOMPA Sport.
Or so when you man born and to Maji foul. Or so not born and to Maji foul. These were the things that they were doing. But you look at this City team today, and Abu Ubeka says it is fact that Guardiola will improve every single individual player within the setup. Guardiola spend it, or a checkbook manager. Abu Guardiola co PM of Barcelona, or promote the likes of Busquets, Mudomba senior team.
Yes.
Andres Iniesta was already in. Oja Puyo Equine. Oja Puyo Equine, one of the innovation, you will pick a walk a Marquez Munya no more. Look at how was the sound. You look at the Abidal free team. Emma Uncle for the dogs also be shame who than the harvest in this particular setup. Who may be a Pedro Fiba? Who was Pedro before Barcelona? Not Pedro and why before Barcelona?
Bayern down on the
Abu Bayern can Ankasana down on Nankasano. Abu, I will confidently say Abu, I can tell you a player as I met my catches a Pep Guardiola turned them into world class player. Pep Guardiola and Tenny Joshua came into a world class player.
So
yes. Yes. Yes.
Abu
Joshua Kimmich buy or Joshua Kimmich Tiase who say on the understudy for Philip Lam. I know moving Philip Lam then a bar number 6. Or the Philip Lam bar midfield as a number 2. I know making sure so Joshua Kimmich a born or honka just to make sure so bit more growing intelligence. Abuana with the technical quality. Said a bear lamb free one on the barber show.
And now also I'm foul. Nekuzize.
I'm a lamb free one man on the super show. Abu and you have a position as I say.
One has all not buying team and almost pitch.
Abu buying was not winning the Champions League. Buying Netima before and on nobody corner not buying. As for me a dominant force here just 1 2 3 no. No meaning say about team and Debiani who's almost and maybe a buy me can do a Champions League. They buy me come a semi-final that's you need free money per quarter. I don't think they news.
Yeah, the Pep Man City. Man City already. Okay, and the first 3 seasons now for against a failure.
I would agree.
Asem na make and your fat. More target. Independence no cannot hear your can. Fan baby no be cause on YouTube baby sense. Or no be cause Jose Ali City team no. Esha se no. Ye pe Liga Genia de. But already a manager be or Magic League ni. Apart from no. Ya san you be a Champions League no do mo boa kwa ko do semi final. Tin you. Tina ko fo gina sa de no so ka se. Pep Guardiola e coach a failure and a brebre do on be final ba ko na Chelsea show e ma san komo no to ye dey e try na no de o maje but team like Bayern no ze o ka ze nye team o mo kokko jeje Champions League to so na manager like Pep ye do ba na so be Champions League semi final ni bia o mo ze wan bo mo ana wo hu ne sa Abu ma me ka se mo nche o me kan yo ma me me say myth and a fact assumptions bit na mo feel so be a failure but factually na correct. Yes, that is how it is. Meba, Akomeah the Real Madrid. Meba, I say Real Madrid. Meba, no, you failure Madrid and now you failure. Mourinho was not a failure at Real Madrid. Didn't ya? Because at some point the time Real Madrid didn't mean to Olympic Lyon camp in the Champions League. So Madrid achieve like about Champions League. So what I say? Quarter final and semi final. Abu, Mamenka say mucho. Let's similar what we say. It's about that one kakra. Meba, me cite a typical example. About Champions League semi final achievement. Meba. When we are doing comparative analysis, examples are very crucial. Many examples, no. Similar to the Champions League, do say. Or Magic 7. Can we expect a coach be able to similar Biano or target ne say also to medium the Champions League because of our level, no more pedigree. Yes. By the end, no because not to me the AC Milan G League, not the AC Milan Grand Prix semi-final. You say why are there? It's because the current state of the club does not permit you. And I say, and yet you try say also to do that is a realistic view of the club. But that's a puzzle. Mama, the example, no. But a club like Madrid now, so Babe Fa, no one to me for failure. Now with Madrid, I say okay. Madrid in terms of the Champions League, before Jose Mourinho, but now Madrid is yet consistent in winning the Champions League. Yes. Fashion trim. Yeah. The biggest problem Madrid was having is no team through Olympic Lyon. Jose Dion Betra. Number 2, Madrid were not winning the league because now Barca be a dominant force in the Spanish La Liga. And on the breaking that jinx in the Saudi Madrid Sabeji League. Onye failure. Bayern Munich asema okay. Bayern Munich dey obe G League. The Guardiola the Bayern Munich G League any news. But the question I'm asking myself here say after that 2012-2013 final na Bayern Munich boy no more final buying and sana Pep Guardiola kwa form. What did they mention as? And if you are looking at na make say the fact say
Bayern Munich the Champions League at what was does not mean say by force of
Michael bro. Why?